If your Roku device keeps restarting randomly, do not panic. This problem is very common, and in most cases, it is completely fixable at home. Watch carefully, because one of these steps will stop the restart loop permanently. First, here's a quick 10-second hook. Random restarts are usually caused by power issues, overheating, or network conflicts, not by software failure. So do not replace your Roku yet. Now, let us start step by step. Step 1, check the power source. This is the #1 cause. If your Roku is powered through the TV USB port, stop using it immediately. TV USB ports do not provide stable power. Always use the original Roku power adapter and plug it directly into a wall socket. Avoid power strips and extension boards. Unstable voltage can force the device to reboot again and again. Step 2, inspect the power cable. A loose, damaged, or bent cable can cause micro power cuts. Even a 1-second power drop can restart Roku. Replace the cable if it feels loose or warm during use. Step 3, check overheating. Roku devices automatically restart when internal temperature goes too high. Remove the Roku from enclosed spaces. Do not place it behind the TV panel. Keep at least 2 inches of open airflow on all sides. If the device feels hot to touch, unplug it for 10 minutes and let it cool down. Step 4, disable power saving features. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Power, then Power Saving. Turn off Auto Power Savings. This feature sometimes conflicts with system processes and causes restart loops. Step 5, check Wi-Fi stability. Unstable Wi-Fi can crash background services. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Setup Connection, then Wireless. Use 2.4 GHz instead of 5 GHz if your router is far away. Weak signal causes repeated system reloads. Step 6, remove problematic apps. Some third-party channels are poorly optimized. Go to Home Screen, highlight the app. Press Star button, select Remove Channel. Restart the Roku after removal. Step 7, perform a system restart, not a reset. Go to Settings, then go to System, then Power, then System Restart. This clears temporary memory errors safely. Final step, factory reset only if nothing works. Go to Settings, then go to System, then Advanced System Settings, then Factory Reset. Sign in again and install only essential apps first. If your Roku still restarts after all these steps, the hardware is failing. But in 90% cases, power and heat fixes solve the issue. This is Tech Vibes. Subscribe for real technician level fixes, not guesses.